Hey y'all, Nate here with My Tennessee Home Solution. Today we're here with Bob. Bob, what was your situation?
Well, my wife retired last year, and I'm going to retire in the next 6 months. We had a house, a piece of property that we wanted to sell and kind of clear the plate, kind of set ourselves up. We're doing some things to get ready for the retirement to live in our forever home. And the home we had actually needed some repair, and we were kind of like at a loss of what to do. So I gave you guys a call and explained my situation, what my goals were, and you guys came and answered my requirement. So I appreciate it.
Perfect. How did we do? Was there anything maybe we could have done better, or what comes to mind when your experience with this?
You guys were awesome. I can't. Two things come to mind. You were professional, and you were responsive. And when I say professional, I had a lot of questions, and whenever I had a question, you guys answered it, which tells me you know what you're doing. You know what your customers' needs are. And when I say responsive, anytime I had a question, if I sent you a text, a phone call, email, I got an answer back almost immediately, which made me feel valued as a customer, and I appreciate that. So in the end, My Tennessee Home Solutions provided a solution to me. We were happy with the purchase price, and I think you guys were happy with the purchase price. So this is a win-win situation for us, and we're ready to retire here in the next 6 months, and can't say enough good things about you guys.
Awesome. Definitely a win-win. If you find yourself in a similar situation or would like to sell your house the easy way, please feel free, head over to our website at www.mytennesseehomesolution.com or give us a call at 615-933-5431. Thanks, Bob.
Okay, thank you.